maligayang pagdalo sa gabi ng parangal at pagkilala na may temang dedikasyon at dangal pagkilala sa kawani at kasabi ng TESDA Mimaropa.
Bawat pagsibol may dalang hiwaga, nagmumula sa atin ang pag-asa.
Bawat isa ay mayroong halaga. Oras natin ngayon, ito na ang panahon na simula.
TESDA is now 30 years. Founding anniversary po nating lahat. August is Tibet month and that's why we are doing this.
Tonight's event is specifically conducted to recognize and express our appreciation to our partners and valuable support, effort, and ideas to make Mimaropa's Tibet a dynamic, relevant, responsive, and inclusive one.
But what I am very happy about to note about tonight is that TESDA Mimaropa is actually doing something that should be done on a regular basis, not only of TESDA, but of the other departments.
At magpatuloy sa ating pagpapanday, dahil ikaw at akong bining nagbabanyuhay.
Bawat pagsibol may dalang hiwaga, nagmula sa atin ang pag-asa.
Bawat isa ay mayroong halaga, oras natin ngayon, ito na ang panahon simula.
Ang TESDA Mimaropa ay patuloy na tumitindig bilang haligi ng kaalaman, kasanayan at pag-asa sa ating rehiyon.
The importance at dalang values na hatid ng mga enterprise-based trainings, on-the-job trainings, at different internship programs, everybody came on board.
I do believe na kakayanan natin makilala ang Mimaropa. At one point in time, maging overall champion ng Philippine National Ski Competition.
Awards are a reminder of how good we were before. Awards will be our reminder of what else we can be in the future.
Let us remember that these accolades are not just individual achievements, but a reflection of our collective success.
Sisimulan natin, sisimulan na ngayon. Sisimulan natin, sisimulan na ngayon.
Gawad na tatanggapin nyo ngayong gabi ay hindi lang isang pagkilala sa inyong natatanging kontribusyon, kundi pati na rin isang inspirasyon sa atin upang ipagpatuloy ang pagpapalaganap at pagpapanatili ng ating mayamang kasaysayan at tradisyon.
That today is the best day given to you. And yes, mahalaga to look forward, pero pagtuunan natin ng pansin kung ano po ang meron tayo ngayon.
To the 30th celebration of TESDA. Congratulations! Mabuhay po ang bawat isa na nandito ngayong gabi at kinagagalak po namin na makasama kayo.
So I do believe that we will succeed in the near future. We have already succeeded now. To more success, and that's how Region 4D moves. TESDA is one of the few agencies that is very genuine to people.
Tonight, as we celebrate our successes and collective achievements in the delivery of quality, technical, vocational education and training in our region,
Lahat po ng bansa sa mundo na makakakita kayo ng worker na Pilipino, magagaling. At nung tinanong ko, graduate sila ng ano? Graduate sila ng TESDA course.
TESDA Mimaropa ay kilala na nationally. The more resources we have in the region na inaalaw natin pumasok, the more workers, the more scholars na mapapaaral ng pupuntos natin.
Tears of joy started to fall actually dahil po nagsimula po talaga ako sa TESDA. Nagsimula po ako sa pangarap, naging gabay ko po ang TESDA.
I was once the Artist DC chairperson. And for 12 long years, I'm the longest serving Artist DC chairperson in history of TESDA.
So, ang TESDA po ay napakalaki ng tinulong. Mga 500 plus na ang nagtatrabaho sa abroad. So, napakalaking bagay yung TESDA.
Now that we are experiencing fast advancement of technology from human computing to machine learning, be inspired and be hungry for a new concept, a new design, a new product, and the new Philippines.
Salamat po at kayo ay nakadating dito sa ating regional office. We have delegates coming from the different island provinces.
I made it a point na makarating po ngayon as to show our support and of course our love for TESDA Mimaropa.
Umasa po kayo, mga kaibigan, kami po ay willing at handang tumulong anytime.
Lahat po nung yung mga bagong programs, Mimaropa can do. And kami po ng mga retirees, we will support po ang Mimaropa.
And I personally, as a member of the committee, as a representative of the labor sector and of the cooperatives, to ensure the full support and continue to perform our duties and responsibilities as the highest policy-making body in the region, which has a main objective of coordinating and monitoring the delivery of all skills development activities to assure a quality TVET implementation.